Remember your first time behind the wheel, that unique blend of excitement and pure terror as you realized that you were in complete control of a 2-ton machine on wheels. But don't worry, we've all been there. Today, we're going to talk about some practical tips and advice that every new driver should know. First off, know your vehicle. It's not just about knowing how to turn on the engine and drive. Understand the basics of your car's mechanics. Know where the spare tire is and how to change it. Understand what those dashboard lights mean. A well-maintained car is a safe car, and knowing your vehicle inside and out can help prevent accidents and breakdowns. Next, master the basics. That means understanding road signs, speed limits, and traffic rules. But it also means knowing how to parallel park, how to merge onto a highway, and how to navigate in heavy traffic. These are skills that you'll use every day, so take the time to practice them until they become second nature. Third, stay calm and focused. Driving can be stressful, especially when you're just starting out. But remember, everyone on the road was once a new driver too. Don't let road rage or frustration get the better of you. Keep your cool, stay focused, and you'll be a better, safer driver for it. Fourth, always be aware of your surroundings. Check your mirrors often. Watch out for pedestrians and cyclists, and always keep an eye on the road ahead. Anticipating what other drivers might do can help you react quickly and safely if you need to. And finally, never stop learning. Even experienced drivers can benefit from brushing up on their driving skills. Consider taking an advanced driving course or defensive driving class. Not only will this make you a better driver, it can also lower your insurance premiums. In summary, becoming a good driver involves more than just learning how to operate a vehicle. It's about understanding your car, mastering the basics of driving, staying calm and focused on the road, being aware of your surroundings, and continually improving your skills. So remember, the first time behind the wheel might be scary, but with these tips in hand, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident, safe, and skilled driver. Here's to many happy miles ahead.